This is how the city looked during the snow blizzard, y'all. As I can see, cars still rolling. I don't know what they talking about. These announcements on the news talking about everything shut down. Ain't no good and well we gonna ride them. I'm ready to go dig. I'm ready to go dig myself out. Go somewhere just cause. It ain't cold though. It's snowing, but it ain't. The snow thick. It's thick like you know it's gonna stick. But it ain't cold though. Like I ain't even got no gloves on. It ain't cold. This is actually, you know, FYI, for the kids, this is actually great snowball fight weather. Like, it's probably about like 45 right now. Just want to try to get a good glimpse though. I'm literally just walking to the store for no reason. I just want to try to get an in-depth, quick view. That's all. I'm gonna walk past it, so I'm gonna walk up this hill, matter of fact. Motherfuckers is rolling. What they talking about? Look, these are not essential workers. These regular people, cab. New York ain't every time it's a snowstorm, they make that same announcement. Even for COVID. Oh, the highways, the throughways, the bypasses, everything is shut down. Word. It's probably traffic on the FDR right now. That's how tough New York is. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to jump in the whip. I might jump in the whip. I might jump in the whip and see. I'm jacking him. It's light traffic somewhere. I bet you. This shit got to be to a motherfucker waistline. One motherfucker to be like, it's over. Not the city. All the establishments is open and all that. This ain't shut down the city snow for New York City. This ain't. All right, I'm gonna go to an untouched part right here so we can see about how deep it is, right? Here's my hand. I ain't putting my hand in that shit. So, shit, that could easily be about 6 inches, right? What y'all say? About 6 inches or so. All right. For y'all, I'm gonna do it. Fuck. No, we don't like cold too much. All right, just so y'all can see. Now, use your own measurements, your own visual measurements. Y'all know about how many inches a hand is up into there. That's about 6 inches, I say. Why I'm breathing so hard up the little hill though, y'all? Out of shape. I'm asking y'all trick questions I already know the answers to. This is good. This is good snow weather though. It's not too cold. Right, it's not too cold.
You know, you right though.
Yeah.
Quiet New York City type.
Yeah, it ain't too cold at all.